plano ka ba na pumili ng bike? Meron ka na ba naisip kung bike na bibili? If isa ka sa taong ganun, panoorin mo itong video na to. What's up guys, if you are looking for a 10,500 budget bike, kung meron tayo dito yung Fox Eye Aries. Check natin kung anong mga parts na nakabit dito, and then see if this is actually fitting your budget. At the same time, yung forma na rin, syempre mahalaga yun. If kasundo mo yung forma and then yung budget, that's a good bike. Let's start with the wheels. So yung wheels niya is with the rim na Fox Eye. Ito naman yung Zurier na tires. Okay, so skin wall na rin to. Okay, and then pagdating naman sa fork, may lock din yung fork niya. Ginagamitan siya ng Sensa na shifter. And then brakes. Okay, so SN. So ito yung frame niya. Okay, so if you want to know the quality, actually maganda. From the prints, okay, up to the weld. So hindi sa smooth weld dito. Okay, same dito. So mayroon din siyang Sensa na FD. Ito regular din na stock na crank from Fox Eye. And ito yung Sensa. Okay, na RD. 8-speed din to. Okay, so hydraulic brakes. By the way, thread type yung hubs niya. Okay, so kung may improvement tayo dito, siguro yung hubs na lang. Okay, so yung components siya actually alloy na. Okay, from seat post to handlebar and even yung stem. Okay, so dito makikita nyo rin na maganda yung seat nya, magandang klase from Fox Eye. So yan yung kabuuan nya. If need nyo yung gantong type ng bike with the budget and yung forma na rin, you can inquire at B&M Cycle Parts. You can see the link down below na rin. Okay, so ito iuwi nyo na lang at sasakyan, papadyakan at enjoy with some memories. Okay, ang kagandahan dito, affordable na maganda. Okay, so bago lang to actually. Sila yung isa sa mga shop na mayroon nito. Try to check. Salamat sa panonood.
I'm on the bed, don't want no flowers cause they simple pain. You don't look sad and wait, I see you smiling so I can't stand all of your tears cause they fake. I know what they really feel. They would've